Hey everyone, welcome back to the Inkwell Studio. Today we're looking at something I've been waiting on for months now. It's the Gravitas Monster. It's now available in titanium, and this is the titanium silicon nitride coating version. When the aluminium Monster came out earlier on this year, I held off. The machining looked incredible, but aluminium is quite soft, and for a pen that could easily be a grail level piece, I didn't want to see it pick up scratches or dings. So when Ben Walsh announced grade 5 titanium versions, and this one finished with that titanium silicon nitride, that was it. I was in. The big question though is, does this version finally make the Monster a true everyday pen? So exactly what is this? Well, the cap and grip section and piston end are all grade 5 titanium. It's lightweight, it's strong, and it's corrosion resistant. Those parts are also coated with TiSiNx. That's titanium silicon nitride. It's the same ultra hard coating that's used for precision tools and some aerospace components. It gives this deep iridescent finish that shifts between blue and purple and bronze under certain lighting conditions. It's incredibly resistant to wear. The main barrel is optical grade clear acrylic, and it shows off that huge ink chamber inside. Now, Gravitas also makes some raw titanium versions of the pen if you like that kind of finish. Personally, I really appreciate the iridescence of this. Inside, you've got that Kraken vacuum filling mechanism designed entirely by Ben Walsh. It's a serious piece of engineering that's inspired, believe it or not, by mechanical heart valves. Now, the capacity is huge. It's roughly 6 to 7 millimeters of usable ink, depending on your filling, and that shut-off valve isolates the reservoir when closed, making it great for travel and preventing evaporation of the ink when it's in storage. Everything here is machined to really high tolerances, smooth, solid, purposeful, nothing for show, it's all function. Of course, engineering means nothing if it doesn't write well, but the titanium grip has these subtle micro grooves that make sure that the grip isn't slippery. It feels secure, but not aggressive, even in long writing sessions. Mine is fitted with the size 8 Steel Nib in medium, and it's got an ebonite feed. It's the same dependable size 8 combo that's used in a couple of pens across the Gravitas range. I've inked it with Diamine Jack Frost because the colour just works. That bright turquoise base with the red metallic sheen and subtle shimmer is perfect complement for the blue-purple tone of a TiSiNx finish. With the shutoff open, the flow is generous and it's beautifully consistent. There's no hard starts and no skipping. The Steel Nib isn't about flex, it's about consistency and control, which fits the Monster's whole engineering first personality. Despite its name, it's surprisingly well balanced. It's substantial but not tiring, even for long writing sessions. One thing worth noting is that there's no clip or roll stop on the Monster. It's one of those deliberate minimalist choices from Gravitas that fits the industrial minimalist aesthetic, but it does mean that the pen will roll on an angled surface. So if you work on a sloped desk, keep the pen in a pen sleeve or its case in between use, or on a flat surface where it just stays put and the smooth barrel keeps the lines beautifully clean. Now, it's only been a few days that I've had the pen, so I'm not going to pretend that this is a long-term durability test, but so far this TiSiNx coating is holding up beautifully. There's no scratches, there's no shiny spots, and it certainly feels more resilient. I'll post an update video in future if that changes, but early impressions are really solid. It already feels like a premium pen that you can actually use, not one that you just have to baby. So, the Gravitas Monster in titanium, it takes everything great about the original launch version in aluminium, the over-engineered Kraken filling system, that distinctive machining, and it makes it genuinely everyday ready. It's not cheap, but you're paying for precision machining, aerospace grade materials, and a finish that'll look this good for years to come. I'll be testing out this coating over the next 6 months or so in real everyday carry use, travel and day-to-day desk wear to see if this titanium silicon nitride really lives up to the aerospace claims. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that long-term durability test, and check out my other videos for more fountain pen deep dives, and I'll see you next time.